Hello guys, welcome back to Glorious Store. Today I'm going to show you the recently launched DVB-S2 digital satellite receiver model StarSat SR-265V4K. This receiver comes with a built-in dual-band 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi for the fast and stable wireless connection. Okay, let me show you all the sides of this box. Front and back is same. All sides are having only StarSat logo. So let me open the box without further delay. So this is the main satellite receiver. Let me put this aside for a while and we'll see what accessories we are having inside the box. This is a full 4K Ultra HD satellite receiver, and these are the accessories. Let me open the accessories and we'll show you step by step. Okay, here is the remote. Actually, this is the directional standard remote with standard features as we are having before. Nothing special in it. And this is the directional receiver actually with infrared feature. This is the latest remote with voice control and non-directional remote control. There are many features inside this remote. I will discuss this later. So let me put this aside for a while. Next, we have 1.5 meter StarSat original HDMI cable capable of 18 GB per second high-speed transmission for ultra-clear audio and visuals. Next, we have an external display with built-in IR sensor allowing you to hide the receiver while still viewing its status and controlling it with the remote. Okay, next it comes with a 12 volt and 1.5 ampere power adapter for stable and reliable power supply. I can show you if you can see over here the descriptions. It is 12 voltages, 1.5 ampere with a standard 12 voltage connector. Let me see what else we have in the box remaining. And this is a pair of AAA batteries for the remote control, and one physical user manual of SR-265V4K. There's a short time, so I cannot show you all the manual. So this is the content. And the next page is you can download the soft copy of this user manual from our website within the product details section. Okay, let me put this box aside and let me show you the main product of this SR-265V4K satellite receiver. Wow, it features a compact, slim and modern rectangular design that fits neatly beside or behind your television. Its lightweight body, you can see the ventilation spots almost on every side. The top side is very nice and clean, beautiful design. And you can see the ventilation spot on the bottom side. In the rear panel includes LNB in for connecting the satellite dish, AV out for older televisions, and HDMI for a high quality digital video and audio. The next we have USB 3.0. Before it was coming 2.0, but you can see the color is below. So this is USB 3.0. As you can also see, it is written below the port. It is 3.0 with full speed. Here you can see USB 3.0. Next we have Ethernet or LAN, provides a wide network connection. Next we have SPDIF connection for compact digital audio system. This is internal or external display port. DC 12 voltage is used for the power adapter. As you can see, we have some physical buttons in green color. This is the channel down, channel up, and power button for the physical use. This is all sides of the receiver. Very compact, neat and clean design. Now I'm going to explain the main features of the StarSat SR-265V4K digital satellite receiver. It is powered by the Montage MS2653 chipset and an ARM Cortex-A53 processor, delivering up to 7000 DMIPS, supported by 1 GB SDRAM, 256 MB flash memory, and a stable Linux operating system. It delivers 4K Ultra HD resolution at up to 60 frames per second through HDMI 2.1 with HDCP 2.2, together with HDR10 and 10-bit video decoding for sharp, smooth, and detailed picture quality. The receiver comes with guaranteed built-in dual-band 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, Bluetooth voice control support, multi-stream reception, and included Netflix and YouTube applications. It also supports automatic network and transponder, channel searches, EPG, subtitles, teletext, parental control, PVR recording, time shift, and USB multimedia playback. The receiver comes with a 3-year warranty. Now let's explain the feature icons printed along the bottom of the box, starting from the left. The first feature is built-in Wi-Fi. The SR-265V4K includes dual-band 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, giving you a more flexible and stable internet connection without requiring an external Wi-Fi adapter. Next is USB 3.0. The high-speed USB connection can be used for compatible storage devices, software upgrades, recording, and multimedia playback. The third feature is the media player. Simply connect a USB storage device to enjoy your supported videos, music, and photos directly on your television. Next is PVR ready. Connect a compatible USB drive to record your favorite television programs. The receiver also supports time shift, allowing you to pause and continue live television. NTFS, FAT32, and FAT16 storage formats are supported. The next feature is multi-stream. This allows the receiver to receive compatible multi-stream satellite transmissions, providing access to supported broadcasts that may not work on ordinary satellite receivers. Next is EPG Pro, or the Electronic Program Guide. It displays available program schedules and channel information directly on your television screen, depending on the information provided by the broadcaster. The next icon represents 10-bit decoding. This provides smoother color transitions, improved color depth, and more detailed picture reproduction when viewing compatible video content. Next is the included YouTube application. Connect the receiver to the internet and enjoy YouTube videos directly on your television. The next feature is User Interface DIY. This allows users to customize parts of the receiver's interface, including the information bar, channel list, and other on-screen display styles. Next is DVB Digital Satellite Reception. The receiver supports QPSK, 8 PSK, 16 APSK, and 32 APSK demodulation, together with automatic search, network search, and individual transponder search. It also provides useful channel management options such as favorite, move, lock, rename, delete, and skip. The next icon is HDMI. The HDMI 2.1 output supports HDCP 2.2 and delivers resolutions up to 4K by 2K at 60 frames per second. It also supports standard video formats, including 480p, 576p, 720p, 1080A, and 1080p. Finally, we have HDR10. HDR10 improves brightness, contrast, and color detail, giving you a more realistic and dynamic viewing experience when connected to a compatible HDR television. The StarSat SR-265V4K combines powerful Linux performance, advanced satellite reception, 4K picture quality, built-in entertainment applications, voice control, and convenient recording features in one complete digital satellite receiver. Now, let's take a closer look at the StarSat SR-265V4K voice remote control. At the top, you will find the mute button for instantly turning the sound off, along with the red power button for switching the receiver on or placing it into standby mode. Just below are convenient shortcut buttons for TV and radio channels, Wi-Fi settings, USB functions, and IP or internet features. The large numeric keypad allows you to enter channel numbers directly, while the recall button quickly returns to the previously viewed channel. The F1 button provides an additional function that may vary depending on the receiver's software. The menu button opens the receiver's main settings, while the SAT button provides quick access to the satellite list. The large navigation ring makes the remote easy to operate. Use the 4 directional arrows to move through menus and press OK to confirm your selection. The Find button helps you search for channels, and Exit takes you back or closes the current menu. You can press FAV to open your favorite channel groups, while the EPG button displays the electronic program guide with available program schedules and information. At the center of the remote is the dedicated microphone button. Press it and speak your command to use Bluetooth voice control, making it easier to search and operate supported functions without typing. The vertical volume buttons increase or decrease the sound, while the page buttons move through channel lists and menu pages. The IPPS button opens the applications menu, and the dedicated YouTube button gives you direct access to the included YouTube application. The 4 colored shortcut buttons provide quick access to important viewing options. Audio lets you select available audio tracks or languages. Sub controls subtitles. Zoom adjusts the displayed picture view, and Info shows information about the current channel or program. At the bottom, the multimedia controls allow you to play or pause, start a recording, and use rewind or fast forward while playing supported media or recorded content. With its comfortable layout, dedicated application shortcuts, multimedia controls, and built-in voice command button, the StarSat SR-265V4K remote provides fast and convenient control of the receiver's main features. Thank you for watching, and follow Glorio Store for more StarSat product videos.